Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6, and this is our report on data analysis using Fairclough's approach. This article is unraveling the language and ideology, a critical discourse analysis of Permendikbud Ristek number 30, year 2021, in Republika newspaper by Rona Rosdiana et al. Examines the ideology construction within media discourse regarding government regulation on sexual violence prevention. This report applies Norman Fairclough's critical discourse analysis to analyze the article's approach to discourse and ideology. Fairclough's approach is significant in uncovering the interplay between language, power, and social structures. It enables a systematic examination of how discourse in media constructs, reinforces, or challenges dominant ideologies, making it an essential tool for critical analysis. Okay, I'll give the chance for the next speaker.
Okay, thank you. Fairclough's CDA framework operates on three interconnected levels. First, at the textual analysis levels, it examines vocabulary, grammar, modality, and textual structure to uncover underlying ideological meanings. Next, the discursive practice level focuses on how texts are produced, distributed, and consumed, including aspects like intertextuality and framing. Finally, the sociocultural practice level, exploring the broader society and historical context shaping discourse, including power relations and ideology. This approach helps reveal hidden meanings and biases in news reporting, particularly regarding controversial policies. That's all. Thank you.
All right. The next is step-by-step data analysis process from the using Fairclough approach is data collection. The study analyzed 13 articles published by Republica. The data set included news reports, expert opinions, editorials, and main reports, all discussing the Kemendikbud Ristek number 13 regulation. And the second is contextual analysis. The regulation aims to prevent and address sexual violence in higher education. The third is discourse analysis. This study structured by textual structure, headlines, news framing, and use critical vocabulary. And modal analysis and intertextuality. And the step 4 is ideological analysis. The findings show that Republica's reporting predominantly frames the regulation negatively. And the last step is interpretation findings. The study concludes that newspaper ideological stance influence its framing the regulations. Maybe that's all. I'll give back to Ardhan.
Thank you. And I'll give for the next speaker.
Okay, thank you for the moderator for letting me in. So, here's the sample from the article. There's three sample here. Firstly, there's the headline analysis, modality use, and the last one is expert commentary. The first one is the Panji number 30, criticized on November 5, 2021. It reflects the negative sounds that it shows that the article takes critical stance toward the regulation. And the second is modality use. The statement like Emily asks the minister to replicate the regulation, and it's used the strong language, showing that the opposite is firm and wants the action to be taken. The last one, there's expert commentary. The interview with Islamic scholars frame the regulation as threat to traditional values, meaning the article includes the opinion from the ministers who argue the regulation goes against the traditional values and making it seems more controversial. Thank you. I'll give it back to the moderator.
Thank you. And last one is conclusion. For the conclusion is, this analysis demonstrates how Fairclough's CDF framework effectively deconstructs ideological narratives in media discourse. Republica's reporting largely critiques Permendikbud book Ristek number 30, revealing an ideological bias shaped by religious and cultural concerns. Fairclough's approach highlights the power of language in shaping public perception, making it a valuable tool for media analysis. Okay, I think that's all for our presentation. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.